What it do, fam? Clever Home Cook here. Spanish rice has always been a staple in my family, but now that I'm cutting calories, I had to come up with a recipe for Spanish rice that packed in all that flavor, but none of the guilt. Check it out. Alright, y'all. So onions are completely optional for this rice, but I like the flavor and the texture that it adds, so I'm gonna add about a quarter of an onion, and I'm gonna slice it up in these little julienne pieces. Just like that. Next, we're gonna get our non-stick skillet and turn that heat on. Hit it with non-stick like always. Throw those onions in. Just give the pan a little shimmy shake, make sure they don't stick. And here's the star of the show, it's the rice cauliflower. This is where you're saving all the calories. As you can see, it's 25 calories per serving. There's 4 servings in this bag. And we're saving a ton of calories here on the carbs. But if you noticed, I didn't put any oil in this rice either. All I did was a few spritzes of non-stick, and each gram of fat is 9 calories versus a gram of carbs, which is 4 calories. So you're saving a ton of calories on the fat on this recipe as well. So you're just gonna cook out some of that moisture on this cauliflower rice, and once you do, you wanna add some water. And here I added a half a cup of water, giving it a little stir. Next, we're gonna add in some tomato bouillon, and I'm putting 1 tablespoon of that into this recipe. That's going to give you all the flavor and some color. And next we're going to add about a tablespoon of tomato paste. Again, that's going to add a little bit of smoky tomato flavor and some more color. Alright, y'all, you know the drill. We're just going to mix this up till all those flavors are well incorporated with this cauliflower rice. And it should look like Spanish rice in the making. So here I'm going to add a few pinches of cracked black pepper to taste, of course. Give that another mix to incorporate the pepper. And you should see now that it's starting to look like Spanish rice. Next, I'm going to lower the heat all the way to low and let this thing simmer, cook out most of that moisture again. And look at that, this looks like Spanish rice in disguise. And that's it, guys. Now you guys can serve this Spanish rice however you want, but I got a couple fish tacos here that it needs a side, and what do you know? Cauliflower Spanish rice goes perfect with fish tacos. Now technically this batch makes about 4 servings, but I like to eat, and this is cauliflower rice, not real rice, so you could eat the whole thing and still feel guilt-free. Let's get a little money shot on that. Boom. If you like this video, please hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel if you like content like this, and don't miss out on any of my future videos of low-cal recipes. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.